Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Best Woodworking. The Vermeer BC2100XL wood chipper, equipped with the Smart Feed system, excels at handling large and tough wood, as demonstrated with a massive gum tree in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Known for its durability and high-capacity capabilities, the BC2100XL effortlessly processes the dense gum tree branches and trunk, minimizing the effort and time required for this heavy-duty task. Smart Feed's advanced system automatically adjusts the feed rate based on the wood's hardness and size, ensuring optimal performance and preventing unnecessary strain on the machine. This makes chipping even large, stubborn trees like gum trees more efficient and seamless, reducing wear and tear on the equipment while increasing productivity. In Sydney's bustling landscape, where space and time are often at a premium, the BC2100XL proves to be an invaluable asset. Its ability to manage tough, large-diameter trees with ease allows arborists and tree care professionals to work faster and more efficiently, leaving a clean, well-maintained environment in its wake. The Arges Raptor XL is a formidable tree shredding and crushing machine designed to tackle even the toughest wood materials with ease. Powered by a high-torque dual-shaft system, it is capable of processing whole trees, branches, and stumps into fine wood chips or mulch. This industrial-grade shredder is equipped with robust rotating blades that efficiently tear through dense and fibrous wood, making it perfect for forestry work, land clearing, and waste management. One of the Raptor XL's key features is its versatility. It can handle everything from softwood to hardwood, and even heavily contaminated materials like roots and old construction wood. Its intelligent design minimizes blockages, ensuring continuous operation and high output, while the hydraulically adjustable shredding settings allow for precise control over the size of the final product. Incredibly powerful and efficient, the Arges Raptor XL reduces large volumes of green waste into manageable and reusable materials, saving time, labor, and space. It's a vital piece of equipment for large-scale forestry and waste disposal operations. A wood debarker machine is ideal for efficiently peeling fresh-cut softwood, broadleaf trees, frozen wood, dry wood, and materials used in fiberplate mills, paper mills, wood factories, and pulp factories. It offers superior peeling results for a wide variety of species, including eucalyptus, poplar, and other common types of wood. Designed to integrate seamlessly into assembly line operations, it significantly enhances productivity. Key features of the wood peeler, debarker, include its four-bladed cutter, which ensures ease of use and low operational costs. Its advanced hydraulic pressure regulation system ensures precise control and reliable performance. The machine's feeding mechanism, driven by variable speed technology, excels in handling challenging wood types like frozen, bent, eucalyptus, oak, and elm, providing consistent results even in difficult conditions. The debarker achieves a high peeling clarity rate, maintaining high productivity with minimal wood damage. It is designed for automatic wood ejection after peeling, with an impressive 95% skinning accuracy, suitable for both softwoods and broadleaf trees, as well as frozen and dry wood. The machine's peeling performance can be fine-tuned based on the type of wood being processed, ensuring a versatile and adaptable solution for wood processing operations. Jetton's Grading Inc. utilizes the powerful HD9 tub grinder for efficient land clearing and debris processing. Known for its robust performance, this machine expertly handles everything from large tree stumps to wood waste, reducing materials into manageable mulch. With precision and speed, the HD9 tub grinder helps Jetton's Grading Inc. deliver professional-grade results for any job site, enhancing their reputation for reliability and expertise in the grading and land clearing industry. Dependable, effective, and powerful, this grinder gets the job done. The DZH6000 machine operates as a high-performance industrial grinder designed for heavy-duty material reduction. It features a powerful diesel engine, a large grinding chamber, and advanced control systems for precise operation, capable of processing a variety of materials such as wood, compost, and construction debris. The DZH6000 offers versatility with adjustable settings for specific needs. Its robust build ensures durability in tough conditions, while easy maintenance features keep downtime minimal, maximizing productivity on demanding job sites. The Comptech Chippo 8010C is a powerhouse in log chipping, delivering high efficiency and reliability. Designed for heavy-duty use, this mobile chipper processes large volumes of logs into uniform wood chips with precision and speed. Its robust engine and advanced technology make it ideal for forestry operations and biomass production. The Chippo 8010C's flexible design allows easy transport and setup, making it a versatile solution for both stationary and on-the-go chipping needs, optimizing productivity across various terrains. To operate the Arges Raptor XXL wood chipper, ensure safety gear is worn, including gloves, goggles, and ear protection. Start the machine by following the manufacturer's ignition procedure. Feed wood material into the chipper at a steady pace, avoiding overloading. The powerful engine efficiently processes large branches and trunks into wood chips. Regularly monitor the output to prevent blockages. Shut down the machine by turning off the engine and performing routine maintenance checks to ensure optimal performance.